I don't answer the question what a reservoir dog is because one, and I'm not being a jerk by not answering it because it's more of a mood thing than anything. Those guys are the reservoir dogs, whatever the hell that is. That's them. But the reason I don't like give you where it came from, because it did come from somewhere, is because I like people telling me what they think it means, all right? Because people have come up to me and they've told me some really wild things. But the thing, as far as I'm concerned, whatever they say, they're correct. The minute I just say, well, no, actually, what it means is in the 18th century there were these Celtic, the minute I say that, all right, all of their creativity goes to dust. And I want to keep that coming. I like that.